We've been working behind the scenes for some years to create a wall panel that is not only suitable for the bathroom, but that is designed for any room in the home. Developed from the core upwards to replace wallpapers and paints, and yet still enjoy the look and feel of wallpaper or paint. To enhance the interior of any house, hotel or workplace. And the next point is key, to ensure we provide a more robust, strong and resilient surface than any wallpaper, plasterboard or painted surface could offer. You could even jet wash our panels. Through a series of tests we're performing and videoing for you over the next few weeks, we'll show you how our product outperforms the other options. Today, we're carrying out the marker pen test. This will consist of a non-permanent marker and a permanent marker being applied to various surfaces, including the Sollisse panels, and seeing if they can be removed without damage. We're essentially simulating the home environment if you have a little one, and if they have a felt tip pen. First is the painted wall and a non-permanent marker pen. We'll attempt to remove this with some warm water and kitchen roll. As you can see, the stain is proving stubborn, so let's introduce an alcohol wipe. Here, the pen is coming off, but as you can see, not without leaving a dark mark. And note that some of the paint is coming away too. Let's perform the same test with a permanent marker pen, but given what happened with the warm water, we'll cut straight to the alcohol wipe. Slightly more stubborn, the permanent pen is coming away, again leaving a smudged black mark and removing some of the painted surface. This would be far more noticeable with a coloured paint. Onto the wallpaper. Just a standard wallpaper as you would buy from any DIY store. First up is the non-permanent pen and a bit of warm water with kitchen towel. It takes the edge off, but notice that it smudges the pen mark to a larger area. Let's up it to the alcohol wipe. It's better, but it's not all been removed, and the dirty mark it leaves behind cannot be missed. Given the outcome of that test, we can safely move on to the next product. This is one of the Sollisse range of panels, and we'll start with a non-permanent marker and some warm water. Incredibly, the mark is coming away immediately, and you'll notice not a residue of pen in sight. But how will it hold up against a permanent marker pen? We're attempting to remove it with an alcohol wipe, and as you can see, the pen is being removed in its entirety without a hint that it was ever present. Plan on renovating your lounge, hallway, bedroom, or even business? Pick a product that not only looks great, but that performs to last. Sollisse Panels, available now at Cladding.